train station. Whoa. Hello, Phil.
Yes. What up?
Hello,
Loner.
we're on the train going through the jungle right now.
Through the jungle.
Dun, dun, dun.
Through the jungle.
Oh wait, you don't have Twitter, so I can't mention you, bitch.
New York adventures again. Lost in a metro station.
So we got off the subway. We are supposed to be in like the city still.
But we're in Queens.
But we're in fucking Queens. No skyscrapers anywhere near us.
Like what?
Fail. Hello. We are the failures.
We're on the subway again.
Bad. Some lady finally shared with us how to take the damn
Still
subway.
in the subway.
Still here. Not even at the Met.
Yummers.
Little bloated.
Nope.
We're here.
I'm relieved.
It's H&M. That's where I got this beautiful dress. No. Let's go. This way.
Did what?
That way.
I like your shoe.
I'm pretty sure we walked this way.
Craig. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Awkward.
We're almost to the Met.
Alright, time to cross the street. Yeah. We shouldn't be taking videos right now, but fuck that.
We're in line to see. Oh, my voice just got really weird, so bye.
Hour and a half wait.
To see
Alexander McQueen.
awesome line that goes like all the way down there.
Sounds like Judas. Where'd Kylie go? Kylie, come back around.
Loner, rather. Oh, this is embarrassing. Explain to me how amazing the Alexander McQueen exhibit was.
So amazing.
Yeah. Thank you, Philippines, for telling me about it.
Pigeon!
I'm just a normal pigeon, you know, average.
Can you open this? I didn't even open it.
Yum.
Kylie, it's still not opening.
You guys fail at
Can
life.
you open this?
We're in the taxi, and some guy behind us kept honking, and we were like, what is that giant teddy bear with like the lamp on his head?
What on earth?
This picture.